excel your skills. Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all will be fine and doing great. So in this video I'm going to start Android app development course. In this course we will cover all the important stuff. If you are interested in Android, then you should take the classes of Android app development course. In this course we will cover widgets, stores messages, activity and intent, material design, menu, container, telephone manager, date and time, notifications and alerts, and database. We will cover all these things in detail, so you don't need to worry about this. In this video we will install Android Studio and Java development kit, which is used to run Android app or Java app. Let's go in Google. First of all, we'll set up Java development kit. Java download Oracle for Windows 10 because I'm using Windows. If you are using Linux or Unix, you can install. And there is option of Mac operating system, Linux and Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to install JDK installer. And this is installing. After downloading this Java development kit, I'm going to set up in my system. For this you can go in local disk C, drive C, and there is a folder of Java, and in this Java development kit JDK 19 which we have installed is there. Now search system variables, go in environment variable and path, and you can set the path. Copy this path and paste in environment variable. This is how you can set Java development kit in your system. It provides tools for running your Android app or Java apps. Now check if it's installed or not. In command prompt, enter Java space dash version, and if it will show version, then it's been installed. Now we are going to install Android Studio latest version. Click on the first link which is provided by Android, and the new version which I'm using is Electric Tel. This is the latest version, and you can download it. Android Studio. It's been installed. It's been downloaded. Now I'm going to install in my system. In installing Android Studio, it will definitely take some time. If your system is slow, so you don't need to worry about this. You just have to wait and keep patience. As it's installed in my system, that's why it's showing. If you want to delete the previous version, I'm installing it for you, so this option will not appear if you are installing first time. And you can simply install it by clicking next. So now Android Studio is installed in my system. I am going to open it. It will take some time because Gradle build take definitely some time. And these are the files which we'll use in next videos. So this is for today's video, and for next video we'll cover all the course outlines. Till then you have to download Android Studio and set up and Java development kit in your system. Allah Hafiz.